Okay, we're gonna do a little, gotta check all these out here first. On pad 11, so you can tell I'm doing this in order. On pad 11, we have Ben Sandoval, called Another Bad Photo. And this is a 5.5 inch pull kit, and it has a K2045 in it. Only been rebuilt twice. So that is Ben on pad 11.
You give him the... Thank you.
Then we have Eric Burlingame, Nike Smoke, with yet another K45 Mad Cow kit. What pad are you on?
14.
14. Okay. He's on 14. On pad 12 we have Mad Pal, and he has a K2045 in it.
I like the drone.
Going right along to pad 13, Gary Walker has a Black Smoke, K2045, perfect flight. Jimmy Franco on pad 15 has the 2045 Polecat kit, got a Raven in it. And on pad 9, we have somebody trying to cheat, James, with an what is it? 3150 VMAX.
L1 million.
In the world of VMAX, James and I belong to the Blow Up Club. We're hoping that doesn't happen with this one. So we've got a lot of pretty cool things here. We're going to arm them all at once, and I'm going to mash the button and hold it down so everybody has a chance, fair shot at it. Is our drone up in the air?
Yes, it is.
Our drone is recording. So we've got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. And 16 just for measure. And so here we go, folks. Everything's armed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.